No, instead of getting flustered and angry and depressed by the downturn in form of my beloved Liverpool, I want to take a philosophical outlook at what is happening with my team this evening. The last 3 or 4 seasons, my coach Jurgen Klopp and this Liverpool team did wonders. We went to back-to-back Champions League finals, won the Champions League title for the first time in 15 years. We scored 97 and 99 points in the league, winning our first league title in 30 years. We went on to become World Club champions by any stretch of the imagination. These were 3 unbelievable seasons of joy for all Liverpool fans. I think Coach Klopp is deserving of a statue somewhere at that Anfield complex. But as fans, we have become greedy, wanting this success to go on forever. Performing at that high level, especially with our high intensity, high energy pressing game, with the same core of players. Any accolade won after those 3 or 4 seasons would be a bonus. So while we're not surrendering our title just yet, may I say, give thanks for the success and say Jurgen Klopp is a genius football coach. Liverpool is still a big side and everything is in order. As long as it's not a certain side, the Manchester United win back the title. As long as it's not the win back.